In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set user roles and permissions in Clio. Roles and permissions determine what each team member can see and do in your practice management system. Getting them right protects client data, supports compliance, and keeps everyday work running smoothly. So let's walk through the process clearly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to Clio.com. From there, go into your account so you're on the main dashboard. This is the home base for everything you'll manage across your firm. Now, look for Settings. You'll recognize it by the gear icon in the navigation. Click it to open your firm-level configuration area. Think of this as the control panel where you shape how your team uses Clio. Inside Settings, find and select Manage Users. This page lists everyone with access, active staff, attorneys, admins, and any pending invites. It's the central place to review who's in your system and what level of access they have. Next, identify the person whose access you want to adjust. You can scroll the list or quickly search for their name if your firm is larger. Click on the user to focus on their profile, then choose Edit. This opens their details so you can tailor access to match their responsibilities. On the Edit screen, scroll down to the Roles and Permissions area. Here's where the real control lives. You'll see options that govern access to matters, contacts, documents, billing and trust-related functions, reports, and administrative features. Choose the role that best matches this person's job and use any available permission settings to fine-tune what they can view and change. Aim for the least privilege approach. Give people exactly what they need to do their work well and nothing more. For example, a team member focused on time entries and tasks usually doesn't need administrative controls, while someone handling invoices may require broader finance-related access. If a person's duties shift over time, you can come back here and adjust as needed. As you set roles, think about day-to-day workflows. Who opens and closes matters? Who touches billing or trust ledgers? Who needs to see sensitive documents or run firm-wide reports? Matching permissions to real responsibilities helps prevent bottlenecks while safeguarding confidential information. It's also a good idea to keep a brief internal note about your firm's role definitions so future updates stay consistent across the team. And that's the process. Go to Clio.com, open Settings, select Manage Users, choose the user and click Edit, then scroll down and set the appropriate role and permissions. With those adjustments in place, you'll maintain secure, efficient access for every member of your firm.